Good morning, grade 5s. Welcome to your last IXL lesson for this section on X symmetry and transformations. We're going to be doing X6 today, and we will also be looking at three-dimensional figures. Please do not start 3D figures until you have gotten to 100 for 1 to 6. So spend your time working on that. You've got a long weekend to work toward your test, which is on Tuesday, the day you get back to school. So don't move on until you've got that figured out. We are looking today at congruent and similar figures. Now, these two words you're going to be using right through high school, so it is a very good opportunity for you to learn those words right now. Use those words as you speak about this and you look through them. All right, so let's look at this example at the key idea. Congruent means the same shape and the same size. In other words, exactly the same fit. Colors do not matter in this point of view, but congruency, all your angles have to be the same as well as the length of your sides. So two congruent shapes may be turned differently. It might be like transformed, turned or flipped or whatever, but it has to be exactly the same size, same length of sides. So let's go and see. Look at this shape. Select all the shapes that are congruent to this one. So this is the circle. There aren't any angles in this one. It's a curved surface, a curved edge. So we can see that all four of these are the same size circle. If it was like a little mini version or a maxed out version, like zoomed in or out, that would not be congruent. There is another word for that, and that is called similar. If it's a slightly zoomed in or out, but it's the same shape, but bigger or smaller, then that is a similar shape. It is not congruent. Congruent has to be exact same size as well. If you were to cut out one of those shapes, it would match completely, fit exactly on top. In this one, you can see that the length of the sides are the same, but the width is much shorter, the pink one. So this is not even similar, right? Select all the shapes that are congruent, right? It has to fit exactly. This blue one with the purple one, even though you're rotating it a bit, but this one, it's a little bit too skinny. So let's click on that one, and we're going to look at congruency again. Select all the shapes that are congruent to this one. This one has been zoomed in. It's a bigger version of this one, so this one is actually similar. This one would fit exactly on top. This one, it's fit exactly on top, and this is a completely different shape, so that's not similar or congruent. That's just a different shape. Okay, let's look at the next section. Those of you who have managed to get up to 100 for the whole of X, you may then go on to Y1. What I do want to ask you, just to remind you, that you first need to get everything up to 70. Don't keep going with 1 all the way up to 100. That's going to take a lot more time, and then you've run out of your time and something else is still at 20 or 0. Make sure that when you get to 70, even if you feel like you're doing really great and you want to keep going, rather get all the others up to 70 and make sure that you have that up to there, and then get up to 80, all of them up to 90, then all of them up to 100. If you run out of your hour, take a break, look at it again tomorrow. You've got Monday, you've got Sunday, and hopefully you'll get through it quickly enough that you might be able to enjoy your long weekend. So let's look at three-dimensional figures. As Charlotte said yesterday, little Darby was able to do a whole lot of these. So let's continue to learn these. I think they definitely do learn these shapes in JK. So this should be really a good review of your knowledge. What shape is this? It is a sphere. If by any chance you get any of these incorrect, what do? Write your notes and add your notes. So draw a little quick drawing of that shape. Write down what it is called. This one is a cone, like an ice cream cone or a party hat. What shape is this? This is called a cylinder, like your Pringles crisps. Okay, So it's really, I think you should be able to get through this very quickly. Right. I hope that you enjoy your day and your weekend and work hard and earn your nice relaxing weekend. Have a great day further. Bye for now.